Looking to upgrade and protect your Ford Ranger seats? Stay tuned as we reveal the best seat covers that combine style, durability, and comfort to transform your ride. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the EKR Car Seat Covers, the perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality for your Ford Ranger. Designed specifically for select Ford Ranger models, these seat covers fit like a glove, giving your truck a sharp, custom-tailored look. The build quality, top-notch. They're durable, comfortable, and absolutely worth the money. And when it comes to maintenance, these covers are a dream, easy to clean, saving you time and effort after every adventure. Another win, installation is a breeze. You don't need to be a pro to get them set up perfectly. Comfortable, stylish, and budget-friendly, the EKR Car Seat Covers are a great upgrade for your Ford Ranger. Stay tuned as we reveal more seat covers to transform your ride. At number 4, we've got the Durafit seat covers, a top pick for older Ford Rangers, specifically models from 1998 to 2001. These seat covers are more than just a great deal, they fit perfectly, giving your truck's interior a refreshed, tailored look. The material is thick and built to last, while the precision tailoring ensures they stay snug and secure. Installation: super simple, you'll have them on in no time, with a fit that looks as good as it performs. For the price, Durafit delivers exceptional value, stylish, durable, and worth every penny. Durafit seat covers bring new life to your classic Ford Ranger. Stay tuned for our top 3 picks that take style and protection to the next level. Coming in at number 3, we have the Totally Cover Seat Covers, a fantastic choice to elevate your Ford Ranger's interior while providing reliable protection. Designed to fit 1998 to 2003 Ford Rangers, these covers fit pretty well, giving your seats a polished and professional look. The quality speaks for itself. These seat covers are well-made, durable, and built to withstand daily use while remaining comfortable to sit on. Not only are they practical, but they're also absolutely beautiful. These covers complement your truck's interior perfectly, adding a touch of style to your ride. Totally Covers delivers great quality for the money, offering comfort, durability, and aesthetic appeal all in one package. If you're looking for seat covers that combine function and flair, Totally Covers is a solid pick. Don't go anywhere. Our top 2 choices are coming up next. Taking the second spot on our list, we have the Skechers leather seat covers, a perfect mix of quality, comfort, and functionality for your Ford Ranger. Crafted with high-quality materials, these seat covers deliver a premium feel at a price that won't break the bank. One of the best parts, they're incredibly easy to install. In just a few minutes, your Ranger will look sharper than ever. Comfort is key, and Skechers leather seat covers excel here. They're not only supportive but also provide a luxurious sitting experience. Practicality is another bonus. Each cover includes a handy pocket on the backside, perfect for storing those miscellaneous items you need on the go. With great value for the money, a stylish appearance, and added functionality, the Skechers leather seat covers are a fantastic choice for your Ford Ranger. We're down to the final pick, the number 1 seat cover for your Ford Ranger. Stick around to see which one takes the top spot. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is the Aierxuan Car Seat Covers, a top-tier option that combines luxury, durability, and practicality for your Ford Ranger. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, these covers are soft to the touch, yet tough enough to resist scratches and everyday wear and tear. Waterproof and easy to clean, these covers make maintenance a breeze while keeping your seats looking fabulous. The fit? Simply exceptional. It's so precise, these covers look like they came straight from the factory as the original upholstery. And let's not forget comfort. These seat covers are as cozy as they are stylish, making every ride a pleasure. If you're looking for a seat cover upgrade that offers durability, luxury, and effortless style, the Aierxuan Car Seat Covers are the ultimate choice for your Ford Ranger. That wraps up our list of the best seat covers for the Ford Ranger. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more truck upgrade tips and reviews.